Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Bukhari Al-Mahdi. Today, in this blessed day, I would like to wish congratulations to my father, Abdullah Hashim Abul Sadiq. From him is peace, for the 11th anniversary of the announcement of the appearance of Imam al-Mahdi. You has brought much hope into the world after a lot of injustice and despair that were brought by the corrupt leader that were not appointed by God. You teach us about there is the will, and you as the one and the only Abdullah that mentioned in the will has succeeded to claim the will. No one except you has done it before. So again, I congratulate you and all your supporters to Imam Ahmad Al-Hassan and Imam Al-Mahdi for many exciting year and success to come. Labbaik Abdullah, labbaik Ahmad, labbaik Mahdi.